Hello everybody! Today in this video I want just to show you nice Ukrainian nature in April. Yeah, it's April, because you asked me how is it, what's the best time visit Ukraine. So you're already late because it's just great. Everything becoming very nice, green, blossom, flowers, nice trees everywhere. I want to show you nature in my city. Already maybe 5 years we have tulips, and see how nice green it is. How nice tulips. Let's walk a little bit with me. See this awesome. This is my favorite park. It's in downtown, and I love to spend time here with my baby because it's very nice, very green. And yes, the colors is just great. So now we have the spring, the period where all kind of trees have this blossom. This is another kind of tree flowers which you can find a lot on 9th of May. This is Victory Day, Day of Memory. And this is something very common on Ukrainian garden. Also, I'm not sure if you know this kind of flowers, but this is something very traditionally Ukrainian, like this. All these things which a woman is making for their head, like vinok, this is all about these flowers. So if someone was growing up in Ukraine, for sure you know what it's about. It has also this root, and if you will touch your hand, it will left some color, so it will be a little bit like brown or something like that. This is something very popular in Ukraine. These kind of flowers, you can find them everywhere. And now they are yellow, and later they will be just white and nice. I will show you some things around, because nature in spring, I think this is really the best, because everything is bright green. And because in summer it will be already a little bit not such bright color because of a lot of sun, but in spring it's starting to be very bright and nice. By the way, once time you was asking me why there is not so many people on the street, because village lifestyle doesn't doesn't give you opportunity to be a lot of time on the street, because you live on your own house, you have your own yard, usually you have your own garden, and because of that there is no purpose just to be on the street like on the city. So if you need to visit someone, you just go and visit his house. You're not walking everywhere, but yeah, you can find some places where young people is sitting. This is an apple tree, and see how nice it looks. This one, and here we have another one, the same. And it's bad that you cannot feel the smell, because it's smelling very nice.